First, we'll add the frying oil, and then we'll turn on the braising pan and turn the temperature to 350, which is the proper cooking temperature for frying. We'll take all-purpose flour and season it with salt and pepper. We'll coat each piece and place it in the fryer. Typically, I will fry in batches, and those batches contain similar size of items, such as chicken breast, chicken thighs, drumsticks, or wings. Flip the chicken once only. That allows the starch barrier to stay intact and keeps your product from becoming greasy. As you remove the chicken, you'll notice it has a beautiful golden brown color.